Hello my dear student, hope you are fine and taking care of yourself at your home. Myself Monica Daya, I am your physics teacher. Today we will do about the properties of magnetic field line and how to plot the magnetic field line. Before starting the topic, please do like and subscribe my channel, YouTube channel, and press the bell icon button for further notification. So let's start. Magnetic field line. Magnetic field line is a curve around a magnet such that the tangent at any point on the curve give the direction of the magnetic field at that point. So this is the definition of the magnetic field line. Like simply you can see here, this is a bar magnet and around it this is the magnetic field line. Clear? So if I will put a point here, so the tangent at that point would give the direction of the magnetic field at that point. Now we will do the properties of magnetic field lines. What are the properties of these magnetic field lines around the magnet? Magnetic field lines are closed and continuous curve. What does it mean? They emerge from north pole and they merge at south pole. Means this is always the direction of the magnetic field line outside the magnet, and inside the magnet they move from south to north. So that's why they are closed and continuous curve. The tangent at any point on the magnetic field line give the direction of the magnetic field at that point. Like, see, this is the curve around a magnet. Means the region where magnetic force can be experienced. So around it, the magnetic force is exerting. So this field line is there. Now I want to put at this point. What is the direction of that magnetic force at that point? So we will put a compass here and the hypothetical north pole, in which direction that will move. So that is a tangent at this point. So this would give the direction of magnetic field at that point. Like simply you can understand कि when you are standing here and without looking कि where you are going, so how would you find out the direction? So using magnetic compass we find out the direction. Where is the north pole is indicating, so that is the direction of that tangent at that point. Second, third point, two magnetic field lines can no two magnetic field lines can intersect each other. Means magnetic field lines can never intersect each other. These are always unique and separate field lines. Infinite these are, but they never intersect each other. Like this is one field line, this is another field line around a magnet. As you can see, if you will see, this is a magnet, around it a vast region is there. So in that region many magnetic field lines are there. So two field lines, if they do intersection, so this point becomes common to them. At this point, then two tangents would be there, and it is impossible that at one point a single magnetic compass will show the two north pole. A magnetic compass always shows one north pole, but if two field lines intersect, then there would be two hypothetical north pole directions. So it is not possible by using a compass. So by contradiction it is proved that no two magnetic field lines can intersect each other. Magnetic field lines are crowded in a region that is where the strong magnetic field is there, that is near to the poles, and far apart from each other where the region are weak field. Means as you move away from the magnetic field area, like this bar magnet, if you are near to the poles, you will get a crowded lines. You will get crowded lines. We will plot just now activity using this iron filling, and that easily would understand. So around this, the magnetic field lines are very crowded and the strong magnetic field. As you move away, the field lines become weak. Now let's how to plot these magnetic field lines, how we can draw them. Like you are watching, I am drawing them. Now let's find out how we can draw this line. Okay, now let's start how to draw the magnetic field line. Earlier we have seen the magnetic field line. Using iron filling we will do. We can see these magnetic field lines or not. So we need the iron filling. You can use a salt sprinkler for that. So in that salt sprinkler you can put the iron fillings inside that. So first of all we will take a sheet of white paper on a drawing board. We will fix the white sheet on the drawing board paper, and second, then we will place a bar magnet in the center of the paper. Means at the center of the paper we will put a bar magnet. Now we will sprinkle some iron filling uniformly around the bar magnet. Around it we will do the sprinkling of the iron filling, and then we will tap the cardboard. gently. What we will observe? We will observe that these iron filling, what we have sprinkled randomly in any direction, they will arrange themselves in a pattern as shown above. What is the pattern? Ki near to the poles crowded these are. What does it mean? Iron fillings arrange. But when you will see them after tapping, so you will see ki they are aligned, they will align themselves in a circular pattern, like a curve pattern around it. So what are these lines? These lines along which the iron fillings align themselves represent the magnetic field lines. Means the same thing we can plot using magnetic compass also, and to see that ki in this region magnetic force is exerting. Using iron filling we are watching in a curve pattern, they are arranging themselves. So in this way we can find out the magnetic field line. So next we will do in the other class. Thank you for today.